Hi, I'm Lucy and I'm one of the teachers here at Bread Ahead Bakery School. I'm introducing our sourdough discard workshop. In this workshop, we are going to walk you through how to make 3 amazing recipes. Discard can sometimes imply waste. Well, we are not going to waste our sourdough discard. We are in fact going to bake with it. We're going to make some beautiful crumpets. We're going to make a lovely banana bread here with some sourdough discard and lovely rye crisp breads. This workshop is great for all levels of sourdough baking. You don't have to be a sourdough master to enjoy baking these recipes. You will learn in this workshop how to make sweet cake batter with your sourdough discard. We're going to be rolling out our crisp breads so they're nice and thin. We'll dry them out in the oven so they are ready to snap and delicious for some dips and some gorgeous fluffy crumpets. If you'd love to learn how to make these 3 products with me, join us online for the sourdough discard workshop.